Hello everyone. I want to make a quick little tutorial thing for converting WEBP images to like JPEGs or something like that, because I've been running into this myself a little bit. I got one example here of this John Wick poster. As you can see, like if you wanted to do like Photoshop or anything, Photoshop's like, what is this, file? What is this picture? So one way to do it, sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. If you just change the extension of it to a JPEG, you can do that, and then it'll sometimes recognize in Photoshop, like, hey, I can finally open it because it recognizes the extension, but it still is not working in there. So one other way I found to do this, a workaround, mind you, this is a workaround, mind you, is to open up in Paint. For whatever reason, Paint seems like it doesn't give an F and will allow you to open it at pretty much any picture, any image. And I just take it, save it as JPEG, or however you want to replace it. I really haven't found a workaround for this yet either. There's probably a better tutorial out there, whatever. But this seems to work for me in my, work process that I need to use random images for. Say I want to use like for my beer review edits that I do on my channel. If you're not subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. I like to use like a brewery's logo and stuff to advertise, their beer and whatnot. But see, this works just fine now. Now Photoshop is able to load this as a JPEG. So that worked as a workaround. Whereas this one, if I double click it, it just opens up this WEBP file in here in the browser, but it does, like, I have mine set to Photoshop. So that's one workaround that I use to get this to work. So if I were to go to here and open up in Paint, save it as a JPEG, I can definitely do that. I don't know if doing this process is, see, it saved a whole new one. Don't see like any like issues with degradation. I can't say that word, of like image quality or anything personally, but maybe take that with a grain of salt for your usage. But that is a workaround for me. Obviously, if you're loading these in Paint, you saw it, you can save it as BMP, JPEG, PNG, however you want to save it. But using Paint seems to be a good workaround for me for converting this new file format. For a lot of people that probably don't know what exists or know what it is and want to use said photo for whatever project they need to do, if it's a fair use type of thing or something like that, then this might be a workaround for you. If it is, leave a like if you liked it. Otherwise, take it easy. Thanks for watching, and leave any more tips or suggestions down below that work better than my workaround. See ya.